university, so they were not allowed to enter the main door. The main door was for the royal family, for the kings and queens, royal children. And students, they were regular, yeah. So they are not from noble family, and they were not allowed to enter there and just enter this gate, small gate, yeah, very small. And so the codfish over there, actually this from Chinese culture. Codfish could turn into dragon, and codfish symbolize students, and dragon symbolize success. So when students went to university for their study,
ready now. Wow.
they just served you here 1 minute ago. 1 minute ago. Okay, it's for you.
Thank you.
I will eat the same food here later. It's for you. So outside the material is from Vietnam, but inside the furniture is from France.
Oh.
Yeah, it's very beautiful interior furniture. Beautiful.